Okay, hello and welcome. Today, just a little simple thing just to play around with. Got a temperature probe, as you can hopefully see. Only half the display is working. We're hoping maybe it's a quick fix. So yeah, I think that says 21 degrees in my ManShed here. Maybe we can take it apart, reconnect it. It's a really cheap device, so it's not worth spending a lot of time on. But we're going to have a quick look just for the sake of it. No idea if it's fixable or worth the effort, or if when we take it apart it will all just fall into a million little pieces, if we can even take it apart. But for a quick 10-minute look, if we can fix it rather than bin it, we will. So it appears to have 2 screws there and 2 here under the battery pack. Never opened one of these before, so this is all guesswork for me and you watching. Maybe you've got a temperature probe, and although they're only like £10–15, you want to see if you can fix the one you've got. Maybe it's just a bit of fun, see how they work. So we'll find out together. It looks like it's loosening up actually. It's got a sticker along there, so we need to remove or cut that. Let's see if we can do a clean job by cutting the sticker. Because if I get this one working again, then I'll probably return it to the bakery where I got it from. It's not the calibration, it's just a display. So we'll see. Not sure how these come apart. Maybe we should take the batteries out first.
This should be easy, but that's not. There we go. So obviously, not really any serviceable parts in there, as suspected. But whether or not we can reconnect the LCD is my question. Maybe. Let's find out. So what screws to hold that in place. So, finding the right one. Here we go. I don't think this one screws, but the LCD is just so pressure mounted, pushed against the circuit board, which might explain why it failed. So quick. Turns out we'll just end up in this bit. Doesn't hard to overlook. It was going in the bin anyway. Okay, that screw's being a bit awkward. Just one step and one to go. Apologies if you can hear the neighbour. It's in my garden.
Okay. So, what do we got? There's the LCD. There. I believe this is the connection. There. Which just connects to the board there. And like I suspected, it's just literally pressure mounted, pushed against these contacts, which is why it's failing. I think this might be, that's the backlight for when the light comes on. It's the buttons, the screen, which is fine, and then the contacts for the screen there. So I reckon maybe we'll just clean the contacts up a little bit with a little bit of alcohol, not too much. I don't know what the effects will be on that rubber area. So we'll do a little dab, I think, not a lot, tiny dab. Clean the contacts up on the board first. It's quite a delicate operation, obviously. That's it, just to clean the contacts. And then this is the rubber contact here. Oh, that's a good point. Actually, it could be the other side where it goes to the LCD. So maybe we should try and remove that and have a look. And that might be the issue there. Let's get something pointy. We have a cracked LCD on the corner there. I don't know if you can make that out. But that's going across the contacts here. So I suspect yeah. You see that? So unfortunately that's not going to be repairable. But hey, at least we had a look and discovered what was up with it, didn't we? And it does work if you can work out what the readings are from half the values. So we'll stick it back together. At least we can say for sure, unless we were going to invest in new on these screens, which is obviously not worth it. And unfortunately, it's going to be fit for the bin, which is a shame. We'll screw it back together. See what it's like once back together. Maybe we've pushed that connection together, maybe not. So well, you can't always fix everything. That one fits a bit better, so we'll use this one. You can only try. I mean, yeah, if we really wanted to, you could probably get a new screen of similar specs. Like I said, for the price of this thing, 10 quid, it's not worth it. It's not an antique or anything worth restoring or retro. Fortunately, it's a throwaway thing. I'll keep it. You never know. I might decide that, ooh, could do, because the temperature readout and everything works. And in theory, you can attach them to those pins where the LCD was going. So you'll still be able to establish what the temperature is and use it as a temperature circuit. It's not something I'm likely to require. Set the battery in. Okay, so drum roll. Okay, so it's obviously on, and no difference. Yay! So it lights up. Where was the screen cracked? It was cracked on this top side here, wasn't it? Well, we can establish it's 33 degrees on my fingers. Must be 35, who knows. So there you go. Although it didn't repair it, at least we got to take it apart and have a look and make sure that it's definitely broken and no longer fit for use. We won't bin it though, we'll keep it, because you never know. Thanks for watching, see you next time.